So it turns out that we actually do know what to do at an auction, and we know how to win an auction.
Yep. We have a house.
We have a house.
You're filming, and I want you to talk to me.
We're on our way to put in a bid at an auction
Which
for
we
a
don't
house.
know our bottom line.
We don't know our bottom line.
She just wants to film.
We're freaking out. My heart is beating in my freaking throat. And we've never done anything like this before, ever. But we're gonna bring you along on the on the ride if we get it. Okay, now we can talk. How you feeling, babe?
Okay, interruption here. We sort of realized that we don't have any footage. Well, what we have is footage of the day that the auction took place. We went through the house and we were basically doing a walkthrough of the house, recording it, but we didn't talk through it. And one of us wasn't on camera. So what we thought we would do, and what would kind of be cool, is go back and look at this footage, and we'll provide commentary on this footage. Like it's like a DVD commentary.
It reminds me of like when people go back and it's like a reaction video, kind of.
Yes,
that's what it reminds me of.
A reaction video. In internet terms. Very first up, this is the garage. You can see the paint peeling and everything. So here we go. And play.
Is it raining? Like drizzling?
It is. It was a rainy day.
Oh, what a beaut.
It's a rainy fall day, but you can see some of the leaves are really pretty. But look at the paint, like just falling off the garage walls. Beautiful front doors.
Oh, yeah.
And right behind the front door, you've got a massive brick wall.
The dumbest layout I've ever seen in my entire life.
Look at that nice dark hallway. Beautiful, beautiful blue carpet.
Wait, let's look in the first bathroom. Real quick.
Yep, we are. Lights, please.
Oh, nice. Yes. Harvest gold, avocado green.
Wait, look at the...
So that's technically yellow, not green, right?
No, that was green. That was a green shower.
It feels yellow. It feels like neon yellow to me. This is linen closet number 1 of 4. Yeah. This right here is my mom's room.
Extremely small bedroom.
I've been trying to work that bedroom out in my brain, by the way.
I think that bedroom is staying, like basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then here's Ken's room.
Yeah.
We kept the curtains. They're really special to us.
They're still hanging weirdly. Like there's nothing in the house but the curtains. All right, so that was the end of that clip. Let's move on to the next clip.
Yeah.
And play.
Because this is the middle bedroom now that
Blue
no
carpet,
longer
middle
exists. That carpet.
Yeah, that bedroom is
What is that
completely
curtain,
eaten up.
by the way?
It's like one weird piece
It
of
looks
cloth.
like, but it looks like a rag.
Ron John Surf Shop, shout out. I don't know. There's my stepsister.
Yep. There's our laundry chute. Linen closet number 2 we're passing right now.
Okay.
And into the primary.
Wait, and pause. Do you guys see the beautiful border at the top?
So
it's
nice.
like this Thomas Kincaid, like country Bob Ross house.
Scenic. Yeah.
But the problem is it repeats like literally every linear foot.
So every 12 inches.
It's just the same exact.
Repeat. Like that.
Bam, 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 bam. All right, and play.
Look at that carpet, man.
Odd place windows too.
Oh, there's the
we
worst.
think we're gonna fix some of that.
The worst. This
Actually,
is
a
into
pretty
the
good
closet.
walk-in closet there on the right. It's a pretty good size for this size house. It's a small house.
Yeah, 2,000 square feet.
Tiny little.
You know, you say it's a small house, but
Pause.
this is double the size of the house that I grew up in.
Okay, fair enough. Like, first of all, the color reminds me of Miami Beach, 1985.
So is it peach? Because
Peach from Miami Beach.
But on the screen it looks peach, but in person it looked pink.
Yeah, it's very peachy. But look at all like the footprint of the room itself is already small enough. And then they went and built these soffits and angles and bump downs into the room. So now you've got like soffits in front of you. You've got like, that shower is not very tall. It was
No.
extremely tiny. So they've just really.
Well, the ceilings are only 6'8".
7'8".
7'8", I'm sorry. And you got to step up to get into the shower and a drop down. So that shower is probably all of 6 feet.
I mean, I could 100% put my arm through that, put my arm through the ceiling there. Just a really tiny bathroom.
Wild.
This is all changing. And play.
Look at that floor.
Amazing floor. 50 years this has been here, guys. Like untouched for 50.
It was built in 1970. No updates.
Very pretty
Zero
tree
updates.
outside that window. I like that tree. But yeah, 50 years it's been sitting here with like nothing. This carpet, seriously, is probably 50 years old. All right, we're headed back into the living room area now.
There he is.
There she is.
So this is right after we won the auction, by the way.
What the hell are we doing?
Because
You're right.
I was FaceTiming Jen to show her.
You're right. We had literally just won the auction.
We just won the
You're
auction.
right. We won it. We went back in. Okay, turning back around. Look at this fire. Look at this wall. Huge brick wall.
Can I pause this for a second? Because I feel like this house was just a series of boxes.
That's how all these old houses were.
Each little room is just a little box.
Yeah.
Everything's so boxed off. It's crazy. So now we're walking into the dining room.
Which is another box.
Minute.
Because there's two openings, one from the family room and one into the kitchen, which is another box.
I love that they worked to put sweeper lines in the stained carpet.
I know. I do love this window. It's actually a rather large
Yeah.
window. And then there is the chef's kitchen.
State of the art.
Multiple layers
Look
of
at that light.
linoleum.
I
we
mean, look at
found
that
out.
light fixture. Come on now.
The grease and dust on top of that light fixture was disgusting.
Okay, next
All right. Clip done.
clip.
So that kitchen, yeah, that was a box. Just in terms of
It was box
modern
after
day
box after
kitchens,
box. It was wild.
it's just Harvest Gold
Avocado green.
and avocado green appliances.
Cedar. Cedar everywhere.
Cedar?
The cedar walls.
Is that considered a cedar panel? Because I like cedar, and that doesn't feel like cedar. to me.
That's what I've always called it. I could be wrong.
It's
it
like
matches
fake.
all of the baseboards
It's
in
paneling.
the
It's
house.
not real cedar. It's
No,
got to
it's
be
not
like
real.
MDF or something. I don't know. All right, let's go on to the next clip. And here we go. Before I start this now is from the kitchen looking into the den, which was sort of a TV room, I guess.
We don't even know.
Take note of the extremely disgusting high pile shag brown carpet.
Well, it matches the same as the primary bedroom. Like, that's the same carpet.
Oh, was it?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, okay. So this, we
They
assume,
were
was like
nothing if not consistent.
a room for like TV watching. Let's play this third clip. Here we go. Boiler heat, by the way, in every room, which didn't even function.
Yeah,
We
it
had to
didn't
rip-
even work.
It stopped working 30 years ago, so we had to rip all that out. Nice big window in that room.
So this is going back out to the garage where we started.
Yes. Note the paint peeling off the walls everywhere. That's because the garage
Are we
was
showing
not,
the basement right
Yeah.
now? Okay.
That garage was not heated, not insulated. That's already been fixed.
As you're walking, it feels like the lights are flickering like a scary
No,
movie.
it doesn't feel like it. They were, because it is a scary movie. Maybe it's a scary basement, maybe it's not. We prayed over the house.
It's, you know,
And we got this washer
lot
and
of
dryer
space.
with the house.
so glad. I'm so thankful.
Don't
for
need
those
to purchase
appliances.
washer and dryer.
Listen, don't hate on my old washers because I have a very old washer here in our townhouse that I love very much.
You know, they don't make them like they used to.
They do not make them like they used to.
Look at all these systems. It's like a water softener for the
We
house.
don't even know what it all is.
No, the heat was sounding like it was gonna explode.
Like it was gonna take off at any time.
We
Like,
already know that we're replacing AC, furnace, all
water
this
heater.
stuff. So, all right, let's move on to the
plumbing.
yeah,
all of it.
Pretty much all the plumbing, a lot
Yeah.
of the duct work. It's so
Yeah.
stupid. I don't know why we're doing any of this. All right,
Is what it is.
fourth clip.
Back
Before we
porch.
start, this is going to be the back porch deck area, backyard, I guess. So we'll see. Here we go and play.
2000s. It's right here, babe. Look.
Really nice big backyard to play in. Love these pretty trees.
We have a great flat backyard. I
It's
mean,
great for football.
here's the thing. Like even in Tennessee, we don't have a flat backyard like this.
There you go. There's the pretty trees. All right.
That's it.
So that's sort of the house. Really not much to it, to be honest with you. I know that was like kind of zippy and quick, but the house is not that big. And
It's decent size. It's 2,000 square feet, and the basement is an exact footprint, so that's an additional 2,000 square feet. But the basement is going to be phase
2 or 3 or something.
2 or 3. I don't know what order yet we're going to do it. Like, do we go main living area, then go to the basement, or main living area, then go to outside? Like, it depends on how we want to live in it. Because we need to get that main floor done so that we can actually move into it and get out of the townhouse.
Right. Yeah, so that's it. Hey, we'd love your feedback. If you have any great ideas on what to do, like, let us know. Maybe we'll use some.
Here's the thing. What you just saw is not even there anymore, though.
It's a shell. Basically, it's just exterior walls right now.
We're down to studs. We are down to studs,
So,
truly.
and we're kind of currently trying to figure out new layouts. So if you have any great, I know it's really tough without seeing a floor plan or anything.
And
like
you've
over
already
top, but
done the new drywall in the garage yourself, you and your dad. So, like,
we'll
we're
show
making
that.
moves.
We'll show it. We'll show it to you.
Yeah.
Anyway, well, that's that. So thanks for being on the DVD commentary with us. I hope you enjoyed the little house tour. So I'm sitting here editing this video together, right? And I'm kind of realizing that we didn't really like get enough footage for a proper episode 1. But we've got one more clip. And that clip is really just me and Angela at the end of the night, just sitting in bed the day that we got this house, just reminiscing on the day. And it's kind of like a story time as far as how the auction went and all that kind of stuff. So stick around if you want to watch that. If not, I guess we'll see you on the next one.
Big day today.
Yeah, big day.
What do we do?
Oh, we bought a house.
That we didn't actually know we were going to get.
Yeah, we kind of didn't think we were going to get.
Okay, let's just tell the story really quick about how big of a freak I am and how much of an actor you are.
Oh,
Okay, wait, let me rewind it back even more. Okay, so we got there, and when we got to the property, we sat in our Jeep and we prayed for a specific amount.
Yeah.
That if God wanted us to have this house, it would be the specific amount. It would come in under the specific amount that we wanted.
Yeah.
And it came in 20,000 less.
Well,
Yes, technically.
ish.
Yeah. No, we did.
Yeah.
Because the amount that we were setting our limit at, it would be 20,000 under it.
Yeah, like our absolute high.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. Okay. So we go inside, and I'm super confident in it because
Why?
I was super confident because we prayed. But then the auction started, and I just
Well, there was like 50 people there. But we didn't know if all these people were bidding.
I don't think I knew too that he was going to do the whole auctioneer voice.
Yeah. 201, 205, 205, 210, do I have 210? Got 210, do I got 215? 215,
Yep.
215, do I have 216, 216?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was intimidating.
And that stressed me out big time.
Felt
Like my
I was
anxiety
at a
was
pig fair.
Yeah.
But like
What's a pig
a
fair?
really expensive pig. You know, where you go and you buy like pigs.
There's fairs just to buy pigs?
Absolutely. Ask our friend Brooke about that.
Okay, listen. How
You sell like the fattest pig goes to the highest bidder. They can eat for years.
listen.
Bacon, lard,
We're still talking about pigs?
yeah, sausage,
Listen.
pig's feet,
Ew.
pig rinds,
You know, my mom loved pork brains.
pork rinds.
Pork brains and eggs for breakfast.
Yeah.
Listen. Talk about how calm, cool, and collected I was.
Not at all. It's such the opposite. I was like kind of like
You were stone-faced. Hat down, face down.
yeah, I was trying to listen for the frickin' pig sale. But I look over and she's doing this.
At one point, I literally look at him and I go, I think I'm going to pass out.
I'm like, you're giving us away completely. That you're nervous about this.
I was so nervous.
It's kind of like poker, you know, buying a house at auction is a little bit like poker. You gotta have your poker face on.
Now you know to never take me to an auction again.
No, never again.
But we got it.
We did.
But the guy landed on our bid and he stayed there for like seriously 3 minutes.
It seemed like an eternity.
It was awful. It's like, in my limited auction experience from what I've seen on TV, you get a high bid and then it goes once, twice, sold.
Yeah, going once, going twice, sold. No, it wasn't like
did
that.
not do that.
It was like going once, going once, going once, going on.
for 3 minutes.
Yeah, and then
Legitimately.
yeah, and then Angela tried to one up her own bid.
I didn't mean to.
He was like, "You're good."
Because he was talking so fast.
Yeah.
It was so confusing. My head was spinning. But we got it. We got the house. We got the house.
That's so stupid. I don't know what we're doing.
And it's got the coolest, like, we got to meet the family. It's got the coolest God bless our house little light switch
it's got
in
a
it.
very, very 1970s God bless our house, God bless this home light switch cover, and we're gonna keep that cover somewhere. I actually thought about like highlighting it, like so no one thinks it's like a mistake. Somebody's out in those trash cans. So no one thinks it's like a mistake or like, oh, that's old.
They overlooked it or something.
Yeah, like I want to put it somewhere and then like maybe even like paint around, like a block around it or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you could.
Almost like a picture frame in a way.
Yeah.
Like in the garage
keep-
or something.
Every time you do that, you're flinging the camera.
That's okay. Virtual stabilization. We can add that in post.
But we got a house. What did you keep saying?
I said, what the hell are we doing? We don't know.
When he wants
This
to
house has literally not been touched since 1970, and now we have a freaking house that we have to
whenever he wants to make me laugh, he just cusses.
upgrade.
No, but the brown shag carpet, all of the things.
In full force. The house is well taken care of, though. It's very clean.
The
for what
woman
it
who
is.
lived there, she took pride in her home and made it the best that she could. She did, what did I say earlier? She did the best she could with what she had, is what it felt
Well,
like.
1970 was probably beautiful. But it's just been 52 years.
But she did put new carpet in the rest of the house, the white carpet. That's been upgraded, but
Other than
that's
that,
literally it.
we're talking-
and the exterior, she took
We're
good care
talking
of the exterior.
avocado green appliances. and
Harvest.
Harvest gold were the two big colors in the 70s. Avocado green and harvest gold. Those are in the house. And like mauve
Bathrooms.
bathtubs, like the plastic mauve.
The
Oh, it's
master
just like-
bathroom,
I don't know why that was ever a thing.
or primary bathroom, it has brown tile that looks like it's like,
Poop?
yeah, it's awful.
Poop tile.
It's awful.
It's tile made from...
That's literally making me want to gag right now. Just don't do that. Ugh. All right, well,
So there you go. That's what happened today.
just wanted to collect all the memories while they were still fresh in our mind.
Now we owe a ton of money, and
Yeah.
we have
A lot of work ahead.
a lot of work.
Let's do this.
Okay.